Guys, good morning. So let's turn on the light first. And the printers has been busy tonight. We got one more light to turn on. Here we go. So good morning everybody, welcome into the shop. And look at it, it's all dried up. And this morning both rudders already came out. So this is actually what I planned for yesterday, but today is also fine. I also have kids, of course. But look at it. It looks really big. So I'm quite happy. We also have already one aileron side printed. It's bigger, so this is supposed to be inside of the fuselage. But look, this is going to be amazing. Also the Modex is printing the right side aileron. And then afterwards we can start working on the rudder control surfaces. So as always, let's start adding the black epoxy on it. Okay, this step is already done. So now it needs time to dry. I got some leftover, so I can start actually with the bottom side. So tomorrow we got a big job to do. I need to design some kind of rig to put it upside down. So this will be two rigs with the same form as the F-35 to put it upside down safely. But look, hey. It's starting to look really awesome. I got also some leftovers, so I already did the left aileron. And I think I'm going to make some more to start with the sides. Oh, Modex is finished. Nice. Temperature off. By the way, about the big Modex, it's a build plate. So when you start a print, I always do that 10 minutes in front to heat up the build plate. Let's do this one as well. Super cool. Okay guys, we're slicing the final parts in Prusa slicer. I wasn't so happy with the left aileron, it was bended. So I decided to print all the parts on the Modex we got the left side of the rudder, and we got also the left and right front leading edges. These will also be movable in the final model. So let's export it to, and we call it batch final. That's cool. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to paint this model today, so maybe tomorrow. So our next step is to add the filler on the tails, both sides. And yeah, so in today's vlog you won't see it painted, so hopefully tomorrow. So guys, hit that notification bell, subscribe, so you won't miss the updates of this really awesome build. So let's start adding the filler.
Thomas.
Ben jij Thomas?
Ja.
Oh, kom jij papa helpen?
Ja.
Dat is fijn. Wat gaan we maken?
Vliegtuig maken.
Een vliegtuig, hè? Welke vliegtuig? Zo? Oh. Well guys, this is my little secret. This is my son Thomas. And yes, and you really like building airplanes, right?
Yeah.
You understand English? Okay, let's go. Alrighty, well, it looks really like an F-35. It's stunning, just amazing. Well, for tomorrow we're going to start sanding. It's all wet now, so I will let it dry during the night. So we will start sanding, give it a base coat, first layer of gray filler, spray coat, and then it will already come to life, I guess. And then we can do the fast checkups, how it looks like, and do our judgment. So this is what we'll do for tomorrow. Sunday we have some friends that will be arrived. Also Peter Koers, thank you for arriving the next Sunday. And Monday, yeah, we got a really special guest. So I'm looking forward to it. So guys, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.